Welcome to Fitness Inc. Today we're diving into something super important for anyone interested in fitness, health, or just curious about how your body works. Your heart rate and blood flow during exercise. We'll break it down so that you can easily understand what's happening inside your body from rest to warm-up, and then when you're going all out during exercise. Resting heart rate. Let's start with when you're just chilling, your resting heart rate. This is how fast your heart beats when you're completely at rest, like when you're sitting on the couch or lying in bed. For most people, it's between 60 and 100 beats per minute. If you're really fit, like an athlete, your resting heart rate might be even lower, sometimes as low as 40 beats per minute. When you're at rest, your body's just maintaining basic functions. Your muscles only get about 15 to 20% of your blood flow, just enough to keep things ticking over. The rest goes to your vital organs, like your brain, kidneys, and liver, which are doing the real work at this point. Warm-up heart rate. Now let's move on to the warm-up heart rate. This is what happens when you start moving. Maybe you're jogging lightly or doing some stretches. Your heart rate begins to climb, usually to around 100 to 120 beats per minute. Here's where things start to shift. Your muscles start getting more blood, about 30 to 40% of your total blood flow. This is your body's way of saying, okay, we're about to get active. Let's make sure the muscles are ready. Meanwhile, your brain and vital organs still get what they need, but slightly less than when you're at rest. Exercise heart rate. Here's the cool part. During intense exercise, your muscles can get up to 80 to 85% of your blood flow. That's a huge jump from when you're just sitting around. Your body is basically prioritizing your muscles, making sure they get all the oxygen and nutrients they need to keep you moving. But don't worry, your brain and heart still get the blood they need. They're smart about sharing. On the other hand, your kidneys and digestive system get a lot less blood during intense exercise. Your body knows that digesting your lunch can wait until after your workout. And that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness insights. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and keep your heart healthy.